Backdoor play is about to get wilder, especially for penis owners. Hey lovies, Marielle here, and today we're going to be introducing you to a toy that's bound to, spice up your backdoor adventures to a whole different level. Meet the LELO Hugo 2 Remote Prostate Massager, a sleek and premium love toy built for prostate and perineum stimulation. If you've ever been interested in prostate play or you just wanna try some really good, deep, rumbly vibrations in a different area of your body, well, this one over here is a game changer. And with that being said, let's get into it. Now, take a look at them. Premium, luxe, literally all of the above. You just feel invited to use and play with this in any way you want to. Now, appearance-wise. So the main love toy has a very plump, insertable tip and a flared base to make sure that removal is easier after playing. As for the remote, it has a golden cover and the back has these different buttons, and it's also made of the same material as this one. This love toy is made of body-safe silicone plus ABS, and it measures by 4.2 by 1.6 by 4.09 inches with an insertable length of 2.8 inches. Just enough to give you that full sensation, yet also, keeping the other places comfortable. Dual motors, yes, you heard that. There are motors present in the insertable length and towards the base, which can only give you prostate and perineum stimulation at the same time. Remote control and SenseMotion technology. Now, the included remote over here isn't as basic as you think, and so is this love toy. You can tilt and move it around to change up the intensity instinctively, thus making things a lot sexier in the dark without fumbling anything. 8 vibration settings. From a gentle tease to deep pulsing orgasms, there's a mode for every mood. If you're craving for something hands-free, there's only one button that you need to use to make this possible. But with the remote control, you can use the plus or minus sign to increase or decrease the intensity levels of the specific mood or vibration setting you're at. Fully waterproof. Shower play, bath play, a mix of both. That's made possible thanks to the waterproof or splash-proof material of this love toy. So anything wet, this toy can come with you. Rechargeable main unit plus easy battery-operated remote. The massager itself is USB rechargeable with a cord that comes along with the package. As for the remote, you need 2 AAA or AAA batteries to activate it. So once they're ready, you're ready. Playing with the LELO Hugo 2 Remote Prostate Massager is just really about to make prostate play a lot easier and more fun. So once you're ready, let's go and learn how to play with this toy. Quick reminder before we keep going. If you're from the Philippines and you're looking for authentic body-safe love toys with discreet packaging, well, you're in luck. That's because Lauvette has you covered. Same-day delivery in Metro Manila, discreet packaging, and we're also up on Shopee and Lazada too, as well as our own website. All the links are found in the description below, so if you're finding interest in the LELO Hugo 2 Remote Prostate Massager, well then might as well add to cart. Now that's out of the way, let's continue on with this video and learn how to use this toy. Step number 1, charge the toy. Before playing, plug in your prostate massager with the USB rechargeable cord that comes along in the package. It should look like this. The initial charge will take about 2 hours. The LED light will blink while charging and turn solid once it's done. For the remote control, you have to loosen up the gold cover first. After that, insert 2 AAA or AAA batteries over here. Once that's done, you can properly close the remote control by aligning the ridges with each other. So it should look like this. Step number 2, prepare for insertion. Once your prostate massager is done charging, make sure to clean it with mild soap and warm water or a sex toy cleaner like the Lauvette Spray and Play Sex Toy Cleaner. Another tip here is to apply water-based lubricant on your love toy, especially towards the plumper tip because it's the one that's going to be inserted. For example, this honey water-based lubricant from Lauvette can do the trick. Oh, and one more thing, avoid turning the toy on before insertion. Step number 3, inserting the toy. Hold the toy with the thicker part turning downwards along with the flared base and the smaller motor. Gently guide it towards your anus or backdoor area. Slowly insert the thicker part of this toy until the flared base meets against your butt or your perineum. Take a moment to adjust accordingly, especially if it's your first time. Step number 4, turning the toy on. Once the love toy is safely inserted in your backdoor area, click on this button to activate the toy. Then if you want to switch modes, you can just press the same button. From there, you'll be able to explore the different vibration modes. Now that we've broken down how to use this toy, you may be wondering, who would love this toy? Well, you would love the Hugo 2 Remote Prostate Massager if you're a solo player who wants to experience intense orgasms. 1. You're a solo player who wants to experience deeper and richer orgasms. 2. You're a couple who loves interactive play. 3. You're a curious beginner who just wants to learn a little bit more about prostate play. And lastly, anyone who's just down to experience some hands-free pleasure. Alright, lovies, so that was the LELO Hugo 2 Remote Prostate Massager. This very sleek and smooth love toy that's just amazing when you want to like amp up your backdoor game. So if you're ready for the challenge, all the links are in the description down below. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, lovies. Don't forget to comment, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and click on that notification bell if you want to see more updates on when we post. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. This is Marielle and I'm signing off. Bye!